I really wanted to create something like a serene mood with the pink of the flamingo and the girl with the little bit darker skin tone. So it's a nice combination with the pink. Also, I wanted to create an image that gives you the feeling that you cannot really pick the time period. Like it's kind of confusing what you're looking at. So I really try to create this strange kind of mood that you have to be aware of what's happening, and that you get the viewer to ask himself some questions like, what's going on here? So that was the primary mood I'm gonna try to create, and that's the mood I like created in my head. So I want the girl to be really serene, like in herself. So I wanted to create a kind of connection between the flamingo and the girl, and that the viewer has to guess what's going on between those two. Now try to imagine you're holding the flamingo. Okay, that one up. Okay. Maybe if you turn your hand, your right hand. Yeah, a bit like, okay. Like it's really holding on to something. Also, with your left hand, you're kind of holding his neck. So it's kind of, yes, maybe a bit more down, a bit more, keep a bit of separation between your, and maybe some distance between the color, between her body, because it's kind of a fat flamingo.
A fat one?
Yeah, a fat flamingo.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna try this one. I think it's quite okay. Okay, just keep it in a bit. Yeah. I think, do you think you can hold this pose? Okay.
I think she's strong.
Yeah, she's strong. Okay, so Ida, you're like a grumpy queen. Not too grumpy. Okay, so try to relax, really let it go and loosen up your mouth and just, okay. Maybe turn it, just, yeah, that's okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Almost. Let it relax. Kind of getting there. Like,
yeah.
Okay.
If it is a little bit high. I don't like the hands has to be a little bit more ballerina.
Yeah, those have to be, and we have to shorten this distance, because it's kind of like on the cord, like this is a good.
Where are you gonna crop it?
I'm gonna crop it right higher.
So we don't see legs anymore. No, exactly.
Legs. That's why I need to bring in the hands a bit more.
More higher.
This one, especially this one,
yeah.
Because it's holding on to nothing right now.
No.
Probably will end up cropping her. It's kind of hard to tell.
Okay, so maybe I'm going to put her hands a little bit more up till here.
No, this one needs to go up to there.
Okay. And this one
stays because otherwise the flamingo is going to be too big.
Okay, this one stays in the thumb in the flower, in the middle of the flower.
Yeah,
that one goes a bit higher.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. When you're ready, I'll make her ready.
I'm kind of happy how the colors turn out. The contrast between the flamingo and the bright color she's wearing. Okay, if she has her thumb kind of a little bit lower, just a little bit from the other hand. You see that cord on her dress?
Yeah.
That's a nice, good refer.
So it's under that, like this?
No, no, she can leave it out, yeah, but kind of the height of her hand.
More higher?
No, lower.
Lower.
Yeah, there.
Oh, here.
Okay. Just let me check.
Oh, wait.
A bit
yes.
lower.
A little bit?
Tiny bit lower. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, now I
Okay.
see it. I see what you mean.
Okay. I think you're okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Maybe just a little bit. Yeah. Thank you. Good. Great. Okay. 1, 2, 3. We'll do this quick because I kind of see that you.
It's nice.
Good. I think I have a good.
We have one.
Expression.
For sure.
I can drop the flamingo a bit. Relax. Okay, good. Okay, now I'm checking over, like, do I kind of have an expression that I like, I like this one. I can lower this down so I can play around with this. Maybe put them. So this one gives me enough kind of playroom to adjust the flamingo to get it in a nice line across the color.
I like the arms as well.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Here we have a little bit of separation, so that's good.
I love that.
Okay. And we're gonna crop it right here in post. I think I'll give it some more room on top.
Yes.
So I think we kind of have it.
I also think so.
Okay. We can do some experimental things by letting her turn her face towards the sides. This one and this one, I have one, so I can see what the line will do. And I also want to do the bum with the pearls on her bum, so I can swap them in post.
You are okay with that I'm putting that off, eh?
Yeah,
This is not a
definitely.
problem anymore.
No problem.
Should I take this off as well?
Yeah.
I think it's...
Finally, Ada. Huh? Good. Okay. So it can just loosely hang around the bum and...
Yeah. Let's do first this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, there's a...
Because the cool thing in the painting of Opje from Rembrandt, she had the details on her hat.
Yeah. So, let me see.
We don't have two of those.
I think they're nice, like this.
Yeah, I like them.
All right.
I like them. Okay,
So you need
this
to
is a simple
get
one.
two ones.
Yeah, I have
One
to get
in the front
and one from the side, and then the other one.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's 3 more pictures.
4.
3, 4. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, 4. Sorry, can't count. Okay. This one doesn't matter how if you will only sit in straight, like, okay, because I need those bums. Okie dokie, you're great. 1, 2, 3. 1. Good. Now, could you move your nose a bit towards that point? Okay. Thank you. Now we do your other bum. Not your bum, but your bum.
That's are 2 different things. Oh.
Are you throwing pearls around the set again?
Oh, they're gonna find pearls, I think, the rest of the year.
No, on the other one.
Yeah,
Oh,
no,
you're
no.
found. Oh, sorry,
But
sorry.
I need
Yeah.
another pinny thing. No wrinkles?
No wrinkles. Okay. Okay. You can start where you want, from the side or from the front. I don't. Do you prefer a side or the front? No. Okay.
If
And
it's
try to
yeah.
sit straight. Thank you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And now you can turn away from me. So with your nose, just a little bit more. Just a little. Yeah, a bit more. Just yeah, there. There you go. Thank you. Done. Cool. Cool. The posing and the pose the girl is in is almost the most important thing in the image, because when you have a strong pose, it will directly tell. It will directly, her eyes are gonna be very important for me. The way she's gonna hold the flamingo, that has to fit technical. So I have to be aware that she's pulling up the arm that she should be holding up and all those kind of things. So I really have to be aware of how she is standing into this shoot when I'm going to shoot her.